Have you ever seen a web animation on CodePen or any website and then you think, oh, that is awesome. I want to do that. But then think it's complex and far beyond your skills? Well, I'm here to tell you, no, it definitely is not. I'm Ahmed Sadek, a full-stack web developer and freelancer with more than 7 years of experience. And I want to welcome you to my CSS Animations, Transitions, and Transforms Creativity course. CSS Animation is quickly becoming an essential design tool that's increasingly used to help our users understand and interact with our websites. It's definitely the next big step in CSS. Absolutely amazing things can be done with it. It's literally up to your imagination. It gives life to your website and enhances the user experience. And you know, better user experience means a higher reputation and more satisfied visitors. So CSS animations, transitions, and transforms are critical skills for any web developer nowadays. And I'm here to make sure you learn it the right way. So in this course, you'll master CSS animations, transitions, and transforms starting from scratch. And not only that, we're also going to get our hands dirty and create many examples together so that you'll get tons of ideas and lots of inspiration to help you create any complex animation that you can think of. We'll start by looking at the CSS transition property, learning what it is and how it can give life to HTML elements. Then we'll move on to CSS transforms, which open the doors to many creative options, from moving elements around the page to scaling and rotating them. So we'll talk about all the transform functions that we can use in 2D and 3D environments. After that, we get to the fun part. We'll use all the techniques and properties we learned about the CSS transforms and transitions, and we'll start building some creative examples that'll give you inspiration and help you make full use of what you've learned. We'll start this section by creating some button hover effects, then some image hover effects, and so much more. Then we'll move over to CSS animations and keyframes, where we'll learn everything about them and all their properties. And finally, we'll move on to the last section of the course, where we'll be creating many CSS animations examples that'll kickstart your imagination and help you create any animation you can think of. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand how any web animation works, and you'll have created more than 40 different examples with different ideas that will help you increase your creativity and stand out from other web developers. So, if you're as excited as I am, hit the enroll button, and let's dive right in with this CSS Animations, Transitions, and Transforms Creativity course.